Yes, there are quite a few others. Aside from rear-end collisions, there can be any other types of traffic infractions, such as if someone ran a red light and hit your vehicle, stop sign, if they were speeding, if you were driving and they came into your lane. Any of these types of traffic infractions by the other party causing the accident and your injuries, they definitely would be something where there would be a case, as long as you can prove the liability and you can prove, which basically means that the other party was at fault, but also that as far as your injuries, you can prove the value of your injuries and that you should be compensated for the injury caused to you in that dollar amount, whatever it might be. But you should definitely get an attorney, because car accident cases can be complicated, because when the police officer gets there, the cars may have been moved. Even if they haven't, they may have spun around, and it might be difficult for the officer to determine who was at fault. They would only have to do it based on what the two parties would be saying and their witnesses. So you would definitely want an attorney to work on the case with you.